Okay guys, this is like a 10-year review. I think I've had this probably 10 or 12 years. Seriously, like no lie. This is the Gorilla dump cart. Now we do keep it for the most part a storage shed. And I no longer have the stickers because my stickers have fallen off, as like all Gorilla carts, they have kind of their sticker here. But I've never had to change out the tires. I've had to air them up maybe twice in the 10, 12 years that we've had it. As you can tell, they do have a tube on the inside, so you do have to kind of air them up from time to time. This one is going to be the heavy duty, so it does hold weight of at least 800 pounds. It has a rubber gripper up here on the front on the handle. Everything is made out of metal as far as the handle. I do have finally some rust kind of showing. That's probably because it's so old. And then of course on the base, it does have its frame. And then this is going to be a big plastic tub. Now, I use this for several different things. When we are in the storage shed, we go ahead and we'll load it up with all of our decorations, and then roll it from the backyard over to the front yard. When I'm working in the yard and I need to fill this up with mulch or dead leaves or limbs, I mean, I fill it up and go ahead and take it wherever I need it to go. It does have a handle up here in the front which can be pulled like so, and what happens is that it's a dump cart, so it will actually go ahead and it will completely dump whatever it is that you're trying to dump out, and it does so by moving this frame of these two tires forward, so that way it will actually go ahead and go all the way back. So you can see it's spring loaded here in the front, so as you pull it, probably could put some WD-40 on it, but I don't have any problems using it. And yes, it has some use. That's because we use it very often, at least 3 times a week. Doing so, I've dumped it, you can actually go ahead and grab it and you can go ahead and push it down and it locks into place. So this is something that locks into place, so if you try to pick it up, it's not going to open. You actually have to go ahead and pull the handle in order to lift it up. So it does have a very, very sharp turning, so you can actually go ahead and move the tires this way. So it does have a real sharp turn on it if you need it to be, but you have to be very careful that if you're making a really sharp turn and you have a heavy load in it, that it doesn't tip over, because that has happened a couple of times. You just have to learn. So but anyway, just wanted to go ahead and show you my Gorilla dump cart, because this is one that I recommend and is a gift that I will buy for somebody who I know works in their yard, because it's something that, you know, you can use for lots of different purposes.